students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is number system. Learning aims, after studying this chapter, you will be able to know about decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system and computer arithmetic. People used their fingers, stones, pebbles, twigs, etc. to count in the early days when there were no ways to do it. These techniques lacked numerous advantages and were inadequate. Numerous number systems were developed over time to address these restrictions like decimal number system, octal number system, binary number system and hexadecimal number system. तो पहले के लोग stones, pebbles, twigs का use करा करते थे calculations के लिए, जिनके बहुत सारे disadvantages थे as compared to the advantages that they had. जिसकी वजह से वे टाइम इवॉल्व हुए अलग अलग टाइप के कैलकुलेटिंग नंबर सिस्टम्स. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट देम. About decimal number system. The need for counting led to the development of the decimal number system, which uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to represent any number. The majority of our mathematical procedures include decimal number systems only. तो number system की वजह से, calculations की वजह से इजाद हुआ decimal number system का, जिसमें 0 से लेकर 9 तक numbers represent हुआ करते थे. 10 digits from 0 to 9 make up the decimal number system, which has a base of 10, and you can use each number alone or combine them to create a numeric value. For example, 44, 289, 57.17, etc. Each digit's value in the number is determined by the following factors: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system and the position of the digit in the number system. तो अब यहाँ पर आपके 0 से 9 तक 10 digits थे. alone या combination में आप इनको represent कर सकते थे. इसमें आपके 3 फीचर्स या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते थे: फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द डिजिट, बेस ऑफ द नंबर सिस्टम एंड पोजीशन ऑफ द डिजिट इन द नंबर. Every position corresponds to a different power of base, which is 10. The least significant digit in a number is the one on the right, while the most significant digit is the one on the left. For example, the value of 786 is 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. 700 plus 80 plus 6 which will give you 786. तो सबसे लेफ्ट में आपका जो होता है वो आपका अलग एक नंबर सिस्टम डिनोट करता है. जैसे कि 786 में 7 into 10 to the power 2, यानी कि 10 टू द पावर 2 क्या हो जाएगा आपका 100. 100 इंटू 7 हो जाएगा 700. फिर आपका सेकंड वैल्यू पे आता है 8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 1. या आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यू विल गेट 80 और 6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 0. कोई पावर नहीं है. सो हेंस आपको मिल जाएगा द डिजिट 786. Observation: as you proceed from right to left, each digit's positional increases 10 folds. In the above example, 786 are the face values, while their associated place values are hundreds, tens and units. The place value is based on where the digit falls within the number. And now we will now talk about the numerous number systems that can be found in computers. तो लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ नंबर में जब आप जाते हो कॉम्बिनेशंस में, तो हर एक नंबर पे जब आप जंप करते हो तो 10 फोल्ड्स वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 786 में 786 आर द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द नंबर्स. अब हम अलग अलग नंबर सिस्टम्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. About binary number system, 0 and 1 are the only two digits in the binary number system, 0 and 1. This system has the base 2 since it only employs 2 digits. All digit computers translate input data from the decimal format to its binary equivalent using this number system. अब आपका 0 and 1 are the only 2 digits in the binary number system. सिर्फ इन्हीं दोनों numbers को use करके आपके सारे calculations इसमें करे जाते हैं. Now why binary? A computer solely comprehends binary code. It is unable to understand human language. As a result, when data is entered into a computer, its binary equivalent is created. For output, it further transforms the binary results into their corresponding decimal values. तो binary क्यों? क्योंकि कंप्यूटर आपका सिर्फ binary कोड ही समझता है, 0 और 1 की भाषा ही समझ में उसको आती है. तो जितनी भी कोडिंग्स आपकी कंप्यूटर में होती है वो इन्हीं दोनों नंबर को लेके करी जाती है. Aryabhat was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would not have existed. Aryabhat, India's greatest mathematician and astronomer, इन्होंने ही जीरो नंबर का इन्वेंशन करा था, जिसके बिना कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी आज की डेट में जो भी आप देख रहे हो एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर पाती. Now conversion of decimal into binary number system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given steps. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2 and repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. तो decimal से binary में आप किस तरीके से convert करते हैं? You have to divide the decimal number by keeping the base as 2. quotient को दोबारा आप divide कर दोगे by 2 और तब तक आपको divide करते रहना है 2 से जब तक कि आपका quotient 0 नहीं आ जाता. Now let us understand the conversion of decimal number into binary number with the given examples. Now let us convert the given decimal numbers into a binary number. सबसे पहला आपका क्या है 45. अब 45 को 2 बेस रख के आपको डिवाइड करते जाना है. कब तक? जब तक एंड में आपका क्वोशिएंट 0 नहीं आ जाता. तो हेंस 45 हैज द पावर 10. तो यह आपका बाइनरी नंबर में कैसे लिखा जाएगा 101101 टू द पावर 2. सिमिलरली 265 है, बेस आपको 2 लेना है. जब तक क्वोशिएंट आपका 0 नहीं आ जाता तब तक आपको इसको डिवाइड करते जाना है. एंड में आपको जब जैसे ही 0 मिल जाएगा वैसे ही आपका बाइनरी नंबर में भी कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा. विच इज 265 टू द पावर 10. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 10,000 and then 1,001. Remainders which are obtained in each step are written in reverse order, that is placing the least significant bit at the top and the most significant bit at the bottom to form the binary equivalent of the decimal number. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, जो भी आपके numbers आपको हर एक में आपको मिले हैं उन्हीं को आपने रिवर्स ऑर्डर में आप उसको लिखते गए हो and that is how you got the binary numbers by converting the decimal into binary forms. Now base or radix of a number system, the base of the number system is the number of digits used in it. For example, since the decimal number system uses the 10 digits, its base is 10. तो base कैसे लिया जाता है? decimal number system में आपका 10 digits होती हैं, hence उसमें आपका base लिया जाता है as 10. Now binary to decimal number. Follow the given steps to convert a binary number into decimal number. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of powers of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Sum up all the products to get the decimal number. अब आपको क्या करना है, हर एक बाइनरी नंबर को आपको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है by its positional value by keeping in terms of power as 2. फिर आपको 1 by 1 करके पावर्स को इंक्रीज करते जाना है, कीपिंग द बेस फिक्स्ड एज 2. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को आपको सम अप कर देना है टू गेट द डेसिमल नंबर. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. फाइंड द डेसिमल वैल्यू ऑफ द बाइनरी नंबर व्हिच इज 11001011 टू द पावर 2. अब इसमें भी आपको उसकी पोजिशनल वैल्यू से उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते जाना है. 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 0 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 1 प्लस 0 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 2. हर एक में आप देखोगे 0 1 2 उसकी पावर इंक्रीज होती जा रही है. Plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 7 is equals to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 16 plus 0 into 32 plus 1 into 64 plus 1 into 128, which will give you 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 64 plus 128, which eventually will give you 203. Therefore, the binary number which was 11001011 to the power 2 will have the decimal value of 203 to the power 10. Another example, example 1, convert 11110111 to the power 2 into base 10 number system. Solution: using binary to decimal conversion method, we get 11110111 to the power 2 is equals to 1 into 2 power 7 plus 1 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0, which will give you 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which will eventually give you the decimal number, which is the 247 to the power 10. Now about octal number system. The 8 digits in the octal numeral range system range from 0 to 7 with base 8. Native Americans were the originators of the octal number system because they preferred to count by using the space between their fingers to their fingers. The only difference between octal to decimal conversion and binary to decimal conversion is the change in base. Therefore, starting from 0, we must multiply the digits of every octal number starting from the right side by rising powers of 8 until we reach the desired decimal value. Lastly, a summing up of all the products. अब 8 digit system या जो octal number system है, ये Americans की देन है. इसमें आपका जो बेसिक डिफरेंस होता है ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल या फिर बाइनरी टू डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने का इज द बेस. इसमें आपका बेस चेंज हो जाता है. देयरफॉर यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड यू मस्ट मल्टीप्लाई ईच डिजिट ऑफ एवरी ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम राइट साइड बाय राइजिंग पावर ऑफ 8. Now activity time in your notebook, convert the given decimal number system into binary numbers. अभी ऊपर हमने नंबर डेसिमल से बाइनरी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं देखा था. बेस को 2 रखिए, जब तक क्वेश्चन 0 नहीं आ जाता है तब तक मल्टीप्लाई करते रहिए एंड यू एंड में आपको मिल जाएगा बाइनरी नंबर्स. नाउ अबाउट हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम्स. Hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F, where A to F represents digits 10 to 15 with the base 16. Hexadecimal is the name given to this number system, which is also known as hex because hex 6 and decimal equal 10. The only difference between the procedures above and the conversion of hexadecimal to decimal is the change in the base. Multiply the hexadecimal number by base 16 to convert it to decimal. अब hexadecimal में क्या होता है, there are 16 digits 0 to 9 तक, यानी कि 10 numbers होते हैं. The letters A to F, हर एक अल्फाबेट आपका डिजिट डिनोट करता है बिकॉज हेक्साडेसिमल में हेक्सा का मतलब ही होता है 10. Now about the computer arithmetic. The data entered by the user is transformed into binary code for processing because the computer can only interpret a binary code. Numerous arithmetic operations on binary values including addition, subtraction, multiplication and division may be used during this processing. अब आपका कंप्यूटर अरिथमेटिक होता है, इसमें आपके बाइनरी कोड को यूज करा जाता है फॉर प्रोसेसिंग, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर सिर्फ बाइनरी कोड को ही इंटरप्रेट कर पाता है. एंड बाय यूजिंग द बाइनरी वैल्यूज इट मल्टीप्लाइज, डिवाइड्स, सब्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड ऑल्सो एड्स. Now binary addition in a computer, adding binary numbers is accomplished using a fairly straightforward method. This is accomplished in the same manner as addition with decimal numbers. The two binary digits can be added as shown in the following table. X and y, x plus y is equals to z. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 and 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. अब यहाँ पर आपके बाइनरी लैंग्वेज को या बाइनरी नंबर्स को इस तरीके से यूज करके सिंपल टर्म्स में कंप्यूटर में अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशंस करे जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 0 0 1 प्लस 1 1 0 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 0 1 1 0. इस तरीके से यहाँ पे होती है सिंपल कैलकुलेशन बाय यूजिंग द बाइनरी codes. Then again 1 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 0 1 is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0, simply by adding it. Now binary subtraction. Given rules below in the table must be followed to perform binary subtraction. X y, x minus y is equals to z. 0 0 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 1 0 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 1 1 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 and 0 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. Now these are the simple methods. वही binary आपके numbers हैं 0 and 1, उसी को यूज करते हुए आपने subtraction भी कर दिया. Now note the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. 10 minus 1 is equals to 1. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, जो अभी जब आप subtraction करते हो तो 1 जब होता है when 1 is subtracted from 0, तो एक नंबर को यहाँ पे आपके borrow कर लिया जाता है. For example 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 minus 0 0 1 1 0 solution will be as follows. यहाँ पर आपका एक एक बोरो कर दिया जाता है. सिमिलर आपके नॉर्मल मैथ्स में जैसा होता है वैसा ही यहाँ पे आपका बोरो भी किया जाता है, क्योंकि 0 से 1 आपका माइनस हो नहीं सकता है, तो इधर 1 से आपका बोरो हो जाता है एंड देन 10 minus 1 कर दिया जाता है. Another example is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 1 0, which will give you 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now binary multiplication, the rule for performing multiplication using binary numbers is same as that of the decimal numbers. The given table illustrates the multiplication of two binary digits. X y, x into y is equals to z. 0 0 0 into 0 is equals to 0. Then again 0 1 0 into 1 is equals to 1. 1 into 0 is equals to 0 and 1 into 1 is equals to 1. Now let's see the examples. Using the binary multiplication rules, multiply 110 to the power 2 and 11 to the power 2. Solution, the rules for binary multiplication are 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is also 0, 1 into 0 is also 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. Simple maths. Let us use the above rules to multiply the binary numbers. अब यहाँ पर आपने multiplication जैसी आप करोगे 110 यानी कि 110 और 11 को, so you will get the answer as 10010. Simple maths का जो multiplication होता है वही maths का rule यहाँ भी follow हुआ है. Therefore, the product of 110 to the power 2 multiplied by 11 2 is equals to 10010 to the power 2. Example number 2, solve 10102 into 101 to the power 2. Solution will be 1010 to the power 2 into 101 to the power 2 is equals to 110010. You will get the answer. Now the binary division. This method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of the decimal numbers. Below are some of the examples. जैसे decimal numbers में आपका division होता था, बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से similar manner में आपको binary division भी करना है. For example, evaluate 10010 divided by 11 using the long division method. Here dividend will be 10010, divisor is 11 and let us use the long division method. Simply जो आपके division के rules आपने बचपन में करे हैं वही आपको यहाँ पे भी follow करने हैं. जब तक last में आपका remainder 0 नहीं आ जाता तब तक आपको वो divide करते रहना है. So the answer is quotient is 110, remainder is again 0. Another example, evaluate 1001011 and divide it by 11. Again the solution will be इसी similar manner में आपको solve करना है पूरा का पूरा जब तक आपका remainder 0 नहीं आ जाता. So the quotient here is 11001 and the remainder is 0. Now the modern binary number system, the basis for binary code was invented by Gottfried Leibniz in 1689. तो modern binary number system आपका 1689 में Gottfried Leibniz ने बनाया था. Now activity time, perform the following binary operations in computer and these questions you have to do on your own on a computer. Now let's sum up. People used their fingers, stones, pebbles, twigs, etc. to count in the early days when there were no other ways to do it. The need for counting led to the development for the decimal number system which uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9 to represent any number. Every position corresponds to a different power of base which is 10. The least significant bit in the number is the 1 on the right while the most significant bit in the 1 is 1 on the left. 0 and 1 are the only two digits in the binary number system, 0 and 1. This system has the base 2 since it only employs two digits. A computer solely comprehends binary code. It is unable to understand human language. As a result, when data is entered into a computer, its binary equivalent is created. The 8 digits in the octal numeral system range from 0 to 7 with the base 8, and hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits 0 to 9, the letters A to F, where A to F represents digits 10 to 15. So these were all kinds of different calculating methods or the different computing arithmetic languages. Now explore yourself. Multiple choice questions. Which among the following refers to the total number of digits used in the number system? It is the place value. Option number C. B. Fill in the blanks. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Then you have a C, write T for true and F for false for each statement. To convert a decimal number to a binary number, we use the base 2. This is absolutely correct. T. Then option number D, critical thinking. Nilakshi has converted a decimal number 18 to the base 10 into a binary number, but she is confused about how to write the remainder. Help her in obtaining the binary number in the correct form. तो किस तरीके से आप convert करते हैं अभी हमने पढ़ा था. Just you have to help her out. Answer the following questions. Convert 38 base 2 to its binary equivalent. Binary equivalent के लिए इसी को आपको 38 को आपको क्या करना है, base को रखना है 2. डिवाइड करते रहिए जब तक आपका क्वोशिएंट 0 नहीं आ जाता and you will get the binary equivalent for that. Take fun, solve the given crossword. Number system having base 2. So number system जिसमें आपका base 2 रहता है, this is your binary number system of the decimal number system. Just fill it here. Now lab activity, visit the lab and by using the internet search for information about the topic computer arithmetic, get the details and write them in the notebook. अब lab में जाइए, इंटरनेट पे सर्च करिए अलग अलग information computer arithmetic के बारे में and you have to just write it down. With this we have come to the end of this chapter. Go through this chapter thoroughly, revise it and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourself.